What's up, country CEO? Back in the house again, man. Look, more game, and more game. That's right. Welcome back to the channel, subscribers, family, and friends. Man, listen, this is going to be the last video talking about how money is made. This is the last one on how money is made. This has been some enjoyable stuff for me, and I pray that it's been enjoyable for you. Welcome back again, subscribers, family, friends. We got some new subscribers. I want to definitely give my heartfelt thanks to you that you see the value in this content and that you've decided to subscribe to this channel and become a channel member. So I'll say this that those of you who feel like sewing into this channel, man, listen. I know that you'll get a great harvest from what we bring to you to the table for you after 25 years in this dump truck business. All right. So I want to talk today about why maintenance is a money strategy. Uh-oh, I flipped the strip on you. So you was looking to see about little proactive things to do as far as the business and money and contract and all that. I'm gonna flip the strip today and why maintenance is a money strategy. Hmm. What say ye, country CEO? Well, the reality of it is, ladies and gentlemen, put it in the chat. Downtime kills income. I've been saying it for years, man. And let me give you this example. If I've broken down and I ascertain after my research that it will cost me $1,000 with this mechanic that's right there to do the job. But he gonna get me right back up within 6 hours. Or is guy can bring it to my mechanic, he gonna charge me about three, but it's gonna be 2 days before he can do it. Which one do you think I'm taking? That's right. I'm taking the $1,000 because it's the 2 days of the downtime is the killer. I can go make the thousand back that I spent fixing it, and then I'm right back to work the next day. Ladies and gentlemen, do not underestimate that decision right there because I see a lot of dump truckers do that. They look for the cheapest way out when actually it's the most expensive way out because the 2 days of downtime cost you anywhere between $1,600 and $2,000. And you think you saving 700 by paying the three instead of 1,000. Got to be thinking maintenance indeed is a money strategy. Here's the explanation on this though. Preventive maintenance protects your cash flow. So if you can have a system, we talked about systems, fleet thinking, last video. If in your system, you should have designated time to do preventive maintenance on your truck, preventive maintenance, greasing, checking your tires, all these things before time, wires, belts up under the in the compartment, right? Yeah, you got your guys that do pre-trip and post-trip and all that good stuff. I'm pointing back here. Y'all can't see it because I got my country CEO thing, but I'm pointing back there my thing I got here in my office. But I got my tablet here that has oil change dates, grease dates, things of that nature, things that need to be taken care of on each truck, that kind of stuff, right? That kind of thinking, forward thinking, proactive thinking, and not reacting to things and thinking will save you money, right? Because repairs on schedule cost less than breakdowns on job sites. Tom Jones, yes, Lord. Repairs that are scheduled, yeah, okay. 8:33, I got to do that. 2:19, like, okay, I got to fix that. Okay, boom, 2 weeks, we're gonna get that done. Okay, boom, 2 weeks, okay, we got to get them tires off of there. Okay, boom, those shocks are bad. I'm gonna set that up to get that done. Scheduling that thing, whole lot better than get stuck on a job and can't move and got to be told or something like that. That's all I'm simply saying, right? Preventive maintenance is a money strategy. All right. Maintenance is profit protection. Ooh, maintenance protects my profits. How so, country CEO? Because if I made the money and my maintenance game is strong, then I'm able to keep the money that I made. Put it in the chat, keep the money. Put it in the chat right now. Keep the money. That's how you keep the money. But if you're making them, and man, look, I see this happen with a lot of guys around here. You make the money, but because you have no maintenance plan, maintenance strategy, you end up spending the money, a portion of it anyway, right back into the truck. And then they've got the nerve to holler about, oh man, this truck killing me. Oh man, this truck. Well, do you have a strategy for your maintenance? Do you have a plan? See, a lot of the guys, don't make them say, a lot of guys want to just take in and rake in money in this dump truck business and don't want to have scheduled intervals to where you spend money on certain things. Right? Let me show you how something so simple that sometimes we don't check, but it can cost us. Something as simple as this. Something as simple as, you have drivers check the tires and things of that nature, but, let's just be real. You as the owner, you need to check behind them periodically too. The things that are on your truck. Looking. I'm out here on this yard, I'm looking at times. I'm just looking, checking things out, seeing what I can see. Right? And if you don't catch just say for instance, a tire that's got a cut in it, your guy go out there on first load, have a blowout with a load on him, asphalt, right? Then your first thing you gotta do, okay, I gotta get this tire fixed. It's a blowout. You need a tire. Ain't gonna be no fixing. That's number one. Um, so you need a tire. Okay, so what's the nearest place that I can get a tire? Right? And then now load on it, blowout, you need a roll call. So now you got to call the nearest place and then you got to wait on them to get to you. How many of y'all know when you be calling these tire places, they could be bowled under. It might be an hour to them getting to you. Guess what? You broke down and yet while you got that asphalt on your truck, they gonna cut you. You gonna get your hours cut because you sitting still. That ain't their fault. That's your fault. You will lose, and it has happened to me in the past. You brothers and sisters can lose 3 hours fooling with one flat tire, one blowout. It cost you 3 hours. So in actuality, you work 8 that day, you really ain't getting paid but for 5. Talk Jones. And then watch this. Do you cut the driver? Because he did stay with the truck the whole day. These kinds of things can take the profit right back from you. All right. So look, um, create a maintenance calendar because the reality of it is you're gonna pay now or you're gonna pay later. All right. Here's the quote: maintenance buys uptime and prevents downtime. Did you get that? All right. So, ladies and gentlemen, that's all I got for y'all. Hit the like, hit the subscribe, notification bell. This was a good one. Why maintenance is actually a money strategy. Y'all be good.